So guys, you're welcome once more to NPH. If you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome. Alright, so let's look at this problem on physics. It's actually a simple one. The question says a car starts from rest. Okay, so from rest already gives us an information here. Alright, that's okay, our initial velocity is 0. Alright, and covers a distance of 40 meters. This is our S, in 10 seconds, so this is our time. All right, so calculate the magnitude of its acceleration. Now, what is magnitude here? Magnitude simply means what? The numeric what? Value. So what it simply means is, let's solve for the value, the numeric value of the what? Acceleration. So let's quickly analyze, the question. So the question has that we have, okay, the car, let's say this is the car, right? So it is at rest, okay, rest means, starting from rest means u is equal to 0, and, it covers a distance, let's say this is the distance it covered, okay, of what, 40 meter, and from this point to this point, it did that in what, 10 seconds. So we are meant to calculate, the value of the what? Acceleration. So how do we solve for the acceleration? Now, since we have, okay, u, okay, which is the initial velocity, we have time, we have what? Our distance, and we also are looking for the acceleration. It means we are going to apply the equations of what? Motion. So now let's write out the equations of motion and look for the right one to apply with the given information. So the first B is equals to U plus AT. The second we have is S is equal to UT plus half AT squared. And the last is V squared is equals to U squared plus 2AS. So either this or this is going to solve, okay, this problem. So this is actually out. Now the next thing is to want to look at the given parameters. All right. So from the question, we are given S, which is this, okay. We are given T, which is the time, okay. We are given U here, okay. We have our T, which is the time, okay. But if you look, we don't have our final velocity, right? So it means since we have S here, okay, which is 40 meter, and we have our U, which is 0, and we have our acceleration, which we are to look out for, and our time, which is 10 seconds, it means we are going to use the second equation of motion. So from this point, all we need to do is we just have to substitute values. So I can see that my S is what? 40 meter is equals to what? Our U, which is 0 meter per second. Okay, so we have 0 meter per second multiplied by T, which is what? 10 seconds. Okay, plus we have half, okay, multiplied by what? A. Okay, so our A is what we have to solve out for, okay, and multiply by T, okay, which is also 10 seconds, okay, squared. So having written this down, we can now what? Simplify further. So 0 times this is 0, so we have 40 meter here is equals to 0, okay, so plus we have half, all right, so times our A. Now 10 seconds square means 10 times 10, okay, that's 10 times 10 all in seconds squared. So 10 times 10 is 100, so we have times 100 seconds what squared. So 0 plus this is going to give us what? So we have our 40 meter is equals to half. 0 plus this is still all this, so half times A times what? 100, okay, seconds squared. So from this, we can now be able to solve for the value of A. Now you can see that these two can cancel this, which is what, 50. So we have, A times 50. So we have our 50A is equals to what? We have our 40. All right. So from this, we can now solve for the value of A and keep our answers in the right units. So I'm going to divide this by what? 50. And I'm also going to divide this by 50. So this will cancel out this. So we are left with A. So this will cancel out this. So we are left with what? 4 over what? 5. Okay. Now 4 over 5, if we convert it to decimal, okay, we simply need to times this by 2. So our acceleration is going to be, now 4 times 2 is 8. If I put a dot here and cover this, so our acceleration is 0.8. For now, we are going to put our units. The unit of acceleration is meter per second squared. So this gives us the simple solution to this problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye.